Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can send a collaborator request through Shopify. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm in my admin page for my website on Shopify, and we won't be using this here exactly. What we're going to want to do is go to the partners, Shopify partners page, and as you can see, I currently don't have a partner account, but I am logged into my account, so we're going to go ahead and create a new account. I'm just going to select other, and I'm going to just click next and submit everything. As you can see, all of these are required, so I'll just do this, for example, and I don't know, Washington Street 21, for example, city, New York. I'm not even sure if that is a real address and everything, but it doesn't really matter. I'll just submit those fake pieces of information, and as you can see, now we have the option to enter our Shopify partners dashboard. Once you're here, you're going to want to go into stores, and once you're here, you'll get this screen over here. Now what you're going to want to do is click add store and then click request access to store, and from here you're going to need to enter the store URL. Once you do enter the store URL, you're going to need to enter a code. In most cases there is a request code which you need to enter, and once you enter the URL and the code, you can then send the request to whomever you want, and they can then afterwards add you to their page. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.